Status, coming soon. Expected release 2018, November. Launch announced, 2018, October. Weight, 168 grams. Dimensions, 153.6 by 75.5 by 7.9 millimeters. Dual Nano-SIM, dual standby. Display size, 6.0 inches. Resolution, 1080 by 2160 pixels. PPI density, 402, ratio, 18:9, Flyme UI. Android 8.0, Oreo. Snapdragon 632, CPU, Octa-core, GPU, Adreno 506. No memory card slot. Internal storage 64 GB, 4 GB RAM. 12 MP plus 5 MP. Dual back camera. Features: dual LED dual tone flash, panorama. 8 MP single selfie camera. 3.5mm jack. Bluetooth 4.2, A2DP. USB, Microsoft 2.0. Non-removable Li-ion 3600 mAh battery. Fast battery charging, M-Charge, 18 watts. Body colors: black, blue, red, pink. Meizu Note 8. Expected price: €200, 1,298 Chinese yuan, 13,700 Indian rupees.